In today's video, I'm going to teach you Export Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know how to download your calendar as a backup and how to bring that same calendar data back into Google Calendar using the standard ICS format. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and sign in to the account that holds the calendar you want to save. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon. Click it, then choose Settings. This opens a full settings page with a sidebar on the left. In that sidebar, click Import and Export. You'll see two main areas, one for importing calendars and one for exporting them. To export, find the Export section and click the Export button. Google Calendar will immediately create a compressed .zip file and download it to your computer. This .zip file contains one or more .ics files, with each .ics representing a calendar from your account. If you only have one calendar, you'll likely see a single .ics file. If you manage several calendars, you'll see multiple .ics files, each labeled to match the calendar name. Locate the downloaded .zip in your browser's Downloads folder, then extract it so you can access the .ics file for the calendar you want to keep. That .ics file is your portable calendar backup, and it can be stored safely, shared with another service, or re-imported into Google Calendar. Now, let's import that ICS back into Google Calendar. Go back to the same settings area by clicking the gear icon and selecting Settings, then choose Import and Export on the left. In the Import section, click Select File from your computer. Browse to the .ics file you just extracted and select it. Next, choose the calendar in your account you want to add these events to from the dropdown. This choice matters because events will be added to the selected calendar and will take on that calendar's color and sharing settings. If you're restoring a backup, be mindful that importing can create duplicates if the same events already exist, so choose carefully and import once. Click Import to begin. Google Calendar will process the file and show a confirmation message when the events have been added. The time this takes can vary depending on the size of your .ics file, so give it a moment if you have a lot of events. That's it. You've successfully exported your Google